Wait, say it again.
Hello students, today we're going to make cornbread.
Cornbread. So far we've already mixed the flour and the cornmeal, right?
Yeah.
And now we're just kind of playing with it.
Yeah.
So now we need to add, and we did our baking powder and our baking soda. Cuidado. So now we need to add, oops, let me spill some sugar, and we need one more.
Put it in my spoon.
I think your spoon is a little too small. Okay, put that there. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Can you stir those together?
Ooh.
Awesome sauce. So now we're gonna put our dry ingredients away, and we're gonna start with our wet ingredients. So the first thing you can add in the butter.
Ooh, hold on, let me stir it.
Okay, you stir just the plain butter. And then now we gotta put in 2 eggs. And stir those together. Remember, we don't eat the eggs. We don't eat the eggs!
No.
No! And we pour in, yep, our buttermilk.
Ooh,
it's so good.
It's so good.
It's so good.
We can have this.
Cuidado.
Mom, we can have this after dinner, right?
We're gonna have it with our dinner. Okay, so now we're gonna, cuidado, pour this into our dry mix. And stir.
Can you give me a
paper towel. Okay, un momento. Okay, so we gotta stir it carefully. And we already have, our, look at it turning yellow. Okay. And then we're going to put it in our fancy bread pan. It leaves a little cute indentation on the bottom. Thank you, IKEA. It's one of my favorites. So we are going to stir this, make it thick, and then pour it in there and bake. Can you tell your viewers thank you?
Thank you.
No, eat. Do not eat it. Bye, guys. Thank you for watching.
Ew.